I'm going to show you how you can share your screen on Microsoft Teams. First of all, the most important thing is that you should always use your desktop app. You need to use the desktop app in order to be able to share your screen. Let's assume we're using the desktop app. And the first thing you need to do to share your screen is you go over here to the Share Content. Once you click on that, it is going to open this tab down here showing you all the possible sources. One thing that you should remember, do not forget this, is enable the include computer sound. That means that if you're going to be showing, let's say, an audio file, then we will be able to hear the sound of that audio file or a video file. So now that we have enabled this, now we have to select which window we would like to share. You can either share screen number 1. I actually have 2 screens with me. So screen number 1, which means that everything on that screen will be seen. Or I can select, for example, a PowerPoint presentation that's already preloaded for me. It automatically looks for the last PowerPoint that you use or anything that is currently available. So let's say I have this PowerPoint here. I select on that one, and it is going to take over right now. So now that I have taken over, then people who are attending this presentation will be able to see your screen. If I am going to present, I can begin my presentation, and then I can simply start moving through it. Let's get to a point where there is a piece of video. So let me look for one. Here's one, and I'm going to click on it.
Yo soy Paulina Fonseca. El 19 de septiembre se cumplieron 2 años del sismo de la Ciudad de México. Hoy en día hay familias que siguen.
There you go. And because of that, you will be able to hear the audio on that piece of video. Let me look for another one, see if I can give you another example. And this is another piece of video. Once again, if you want to exit, you simply go to the lower right where you have this box here and you click on the X, stop sharing. And that's simply going to stop sharing the screen that you have. If you need to share something else, let's say I'm going to go back to Share Content. I am going to enable my Include Computer Sound, and I simply want to share screen 1. That means that anything on this screen is going to be seen. So now you can see in the background here, I can minimize this, I can minimize that. I can continue to go all the way to all other windows that I might have available on this screen. So there are different ways of sharing things on your computer. Just make sure that you're selecting the correct one. And make sure that if you are going to share something that has audio, that you are enabling then the Include Computer Sound. That is a must if you want us to be able to hear it.